everyone, it's Lisa, and today we're going bananas. I'm going to show you how to make some frozen tasty treats, all with bananas. So the first one we're going to do is called Snack Attack. So these are the things that you need for the Snack Attack. It looks really yummy. You need milk chocolate chips. You need a frozen banana. So I did this last night. All I did was cut my bananas in half, put a popsicle stick in them, put them on a lined cookie sheet, and put them in the freezer so they'd be nice and hard. And you can see they're really, really hard. And then you need some Smarties or M&Ms, mini ones work. And if you like crushed potato chips or pretzels, you can add that to yours too. So you need to have your chocolate syrup on a flat plate so that you can easily roll your bananas in it. This may get a little messy. You're going to take your banana and you're going to roll it in the chocolate sauce. Make sure you get all the sides. And sometimes, because bananas are a little bit curved, they don't lay flat. So you may have to use your spoon. I could eat it just like that. Then you're going to dip it in your Smarties or your M&Ms or your potato chips or your pretzels. And then you're going to leave that on the plate because you're going to have to put these back in the freezer for a little bit so that they all harden up. The next one I'm going to show you is called Strawberry Confetti. So this one you need strawberry yogurt, some Rice Krispies or fruity cereal, and then you need some rainbow sprinkles. And you're going to do the same thing, but instead of dipping it in the chocolate sauce, you're going to dip it in your strawberry yogurt, or roll it in your strawberry yogurt. You're going to roll it, make sure you get it all over the banana. And then dip it in your fruity snack, and then into your sprinkles. So if you wanted to, you could eat that one right away, or you can put it in the freezer and save it for a snack later. This one's called the breakfast bowl. So this one you need vanilla yogurt, some of your favorite granola, and then if you want, you can add cranberries or dried fruit to the oats or the granola. So this one you're going to do the same thing, except you're going to dip it into vanilla yogurt. And I'm using Greek yogurt because it's a little bit thicker, but you can use any yogurt you want. And then I'm going to dip it into my granola. And then I'm going to have a breakfast snack. That one's going to have to go in the freezer too. So we have two more tasty banana treats that we have to make. This one is called Peanut Caramel Crunch. So what you need is your frozen banana again on its stick. And this one you're going to dip in some milk or semi-sweet or milk chocolate chips that I melted in the microwave. And I did it really slow so that it didn't burn. And then you're going to put your banana in there. And again, you might use your spoon so it can stick to this one. Cover your whole banana. And then I'm going to roll mine in some chopped peanuts, but you can roll it in any kind of nut that you like. And then the best part to this one is you take some caramel sauce and you drizzle it on top. This one might be my favorite one, but we'll have to wait and see. And then the last one I have to show you is called a cinnamon bun one. So this one you also need chocolate, melted chocolate. My banana's so frozen, my chocolate's not sticking to it very well. So spread it all around. And then you're going to dip this one in cinnamon sugar. And then this one is, so this is icing sugar. And if you add a little bit of milk to it and stir it up, you get this really cool icing that we're going to use to drizzle on top of our cinnamon bun. On top of our cinnamon bun banana treat. There we go. Hope you guys had fun doing bananas with me. See you next time.